Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Elixir to Typeform, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Elixir to Typeform, start by ensuring you have an Elixir development environments. Create a new Elixir project using the Mix tool. Open your terminal and type mix new Typeform_integration. Navigate into your project directory with cd Typeform_integration. Next, you will need to add the HTTP client library to your project. Open the mix.xs file in your project. Locate the deps function and add poison 1.8 to the list of dependencies. Save the file and run mixdeps.get to install the HTTP client. Now, create a new module for your Typeform integration. In the lib folder, create a new file called typeform.x. Define a module named Typeform in that file. Next, create a function to post data to your Typeform form. You will need to obtain an API key from your Typeform account. Visit the Typeform website and log in to your account. Navigate to the API section to generate a new API key. Copy the API key and return to your Elixir project. In your Typeform module, define the function send_response. Inside this function, set up your request URL using the API endpoint for Typeform. Your request URL should look like this: https://api.typeform.com/forms/left brace form_id right brace/responses single quote. Replace form_id with your actual Typeform form ID. Next, add your headers to include the authorization token. Set headers as follows: authorization, bearer hashtag, your _API_key, content type, application/JSON. Now, construct the body of your request with the data you want to send. This should be a JSON object that matches the structure expected by your Typeform. Use JSON to encode your data to JSON format. Install JSON by adding JSON 1.2 to your deps in the mix.xs file. Run mixdeps.get again to install this JSON library. Back in your send_response function, use http://poison.post/3 to send the request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.